Step 8. Mortar installation and mortar installation for Kirb-Perfect. Step 8. Mortar installation. At this time, you should fill any benches installed. Please refer to bench installation instructions. Mix the dry ingredients of your mortar, 1 part Portland cement and 4 parts sand, with your shovel or trowel. Add enough water to the dry admix or premix to bring this floor floating material to the consistency of a compact snowball. This consistency will allow the material to be easily distributed, troweled, and tamped. Note: if a level line where wall and shower floor meet, or a greater pitch is desired, sticks may be shimmed. Pack mud under sticks to shim to desired height. Starting with the area farthest from your exit, spread your moistened admix one section at a time. Slightly overfill the section and spread the mud with your trowel or screed stick by dragging it along the top surface of the float sticks. With the larger ring square drain combo, fill ring with mortar. The white cap on the square drain will ensure that no mortar goes down the drain. Tamp or lightly compact the mud with your trowel. Mortar installation for Kirb-Perfect. After tamping and compacting, use your sponge to sprinkle water, approximately ½ gallon, over entire surface. Let dry overnight.